Welcome back. What a proud moment it was for a billion Indians to watch PV Sindhu win her second Olympic medal as she defeated Bing Rao of China in the straight games that led to her victory. Let's in fact go across to our guest to talk more about this achievement for India, most importantly for PV Sindhu. We have with us Aparna Popat, former Indian badminton player and two-time Olympian. We also have Pradnya Gadre, Indian badminton player, Asian Games bronze medalist and Indian team coach. Good evening to both of you. I first want to go across to Pradnya. Pradnya, what a great achievement. What a fabulous performance out there by PV Sindhu. This was a solid comeback. Pradnya, I think you will have to unmute yourself. I am not able to hear you.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, so I think it is a tremendous achievement knowing that Sindhu is the only woman to win two Olympic medals and that too in back-to-back Olympics. And I think it's a wonderful, wonderful day today for badminton, Indian badminton.
Absolutely, and it is girl power all the way, isn't it, Aparna? First Mirabai Chanu, then Lovelina, and now PV Sindhu, reinforcing our belief, our confidence in our girl power, which of course was evident during the games.
I think absolutely. It's been three female athletes who've secured medals at these games for us. Of course, there's a lot more medal potentials up ahead, but yes, it has been three of them. And speaking of the number three, I think speaking of Indian badminton, we've got three medals at the Olympics back to back: 2012, Saina Nehwal, and 2016 and 2020. It's PV Sindhu. So all around, good news for India.
Absolutely. Pradnya, when you were watching yesterday's game, were you, equally nervous on how would Sindhu be able to come back and battle it out with her opponent for the bronze medal?
Oh, well, if you're talking about yesterday's match, yes, absolutely. I mean, there was a fair chance for Sindhu to win, but I think the first game was very tough and very close. But having said that, I think if she could have pulled the first game, I think it could have been a different scene altogether for her. And after a losing match,
yes,
yesterday, I think she played really, really well today, and she was very determined to win a medal today.
It was an absolute turnaround, isn't it, Aparna, from what we witnessed yesterday to the attitude, the game. She was on top of a game, absolutely dominating right from the start. Today on court.
Yeah, I think that's what champions are really made of. I mean, after that loss yesterday, it would have been difficult for her to pick herself up mentally and emotionally. But she came back just much stronger, much more determined today. Her back was against the wall. We were expecting a medal from her, and she would have been disappointed yesterday. We were disappointed yesterday. But today, as you said, absolutely different story, different attitude, and a different result. So, really happy that she got the medal, and she really, really deserves it. I think her and her team have worked really hard for this, and huge congratulations to all of them.
Absolutely, every player, every athlete, whether a female athlete or a male athlete who are participating in the games, do their absolute best. They work really, really hard. And Pradnya, I don't want to throw cliches and jargons at our viewers, but the larger message that this sends out is that we need to support. We need to have absolute faith in our athletes, especially our female athletes.
Yes, I think. India is still not a sports culture country, but I think after these medals, definitely there's going to be a change that you can see, and people are going to see sports altogether as a profession and not just a co-curricular activity. So I think these medals are really going to be important for the future of sports in India.
Right. Aparna, your views on, how these performances have an impact on young budding athletes, because these achievements somewhere down the line pave way for them as well.
Absolutely. I think, achievements such as these and role models, such as these have a big influence on our youth, on the kids. And I think sports is one of the best lifestyles that you can have. And also the positivity that it brings through is extremely important, not only, in COVID times, but also in general. I think, we spoke about having the Olympics and then, for those brief 15 to 17 days, we'll forget about all the issues we've had with COVID. And at least I can speak for myself. I have forgotten about it, just because it's just been such a positive atmosphere. And yeah, I think it's extremely important. And speaking of inspiration, even though female athletes are achieving, I think the inspiration is all across. And I just hope it stays that way. And we look forward to having lots more people participate in sport at
Absolutely.
all levels.
We definitely need more role models, but I think we also need to celebrate the ones that we have right now. Thank you very much, Aparna and Pradnya, for joining us for that wonderful chat. Thank you very much for giving us your time.